Hello viewers, welcome to HMSDESK. Today, let's delve into the world of plastic surgery. Plastic surgery is a specialized field of medicine that focuses on enhancing and reshaping the appearance of various parts of the body. It is a remarkable branch of medicine that can help individuals achieve their desired aesthetic goals and boost their self-confidence. There are different types of plastic surgery procedures that cater to various needs. Let's explore a few of them. Rhinoplasty, or nose reshaping, is a popular procedure that can enhance the size, shape, or proportion of the nose. It can address aesthetic concerns such as a crooked nose, a hump, or a bulbous tip. Breast augmentation is another common procedure that involves increasing the size and enhancing the shape of the breasts. It is suitable for individuals who desire fuller breasts or wish to restore lost volume due to factors such as pregnancy or aging. Liposuction is a procedure that removes excess fat from specific areas of the body, such as the abdomen, hips, thighs, or arms. It can help sculpt the body contours and create a more proportionate appearance. Facelift surgery is designed to address signs of aging in the face and neck. It can tighten sagging skin, reduce wrinkles, and restore a more youthful and refreshed look. Now, you may be wondering about the cost and why you should choose HMS Desk for your plastic surgery needs. Well, let me tell you why. HMS Desk is a trusted medical tourism company and healthcare facilitator based in India. We have established partnerships with renowned plastic surgeons and state-of-the-art hospitals, ensuring world-class treatment at an affordable cost. The cost of plastic surgery in India is significantly lower compared to Western countries. On average, plastic surgery procedures can range from $1,000 to $10,000, depending on the specific procedure and hospital facilities. HMS Desk takes care of all the necessary arrangements for your medical journey. We assist with medical visas, provide airport transfers, arrange comfortable accommodations, and schedule appointments with experienced plastic surgeons. We ensure that you receive personalized care and attention throughout your entire stay. Our dedicated team coordinates all necessary pre-operative tests, consultations, and follow-up care, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. We prioritize your safety, well-being, and satisfaction. By choosing HMS Desk, you can have peace of mind knowing that you are in the hands of highly skilled and experienced plastic surgeons. They will work closely with you to understand your goals and tailor a treatment plan that meets your unique needs. Additionally, India offers a rich cultural heritage and diverse landscapes, making it an ideal destination for medical tourism. You can combine your plastic surgery journey with a memorable vacation, immersing yourself in the beauty and culture of this incredible country. So, if you are considering plastic surgery to enhance your appearance and boost your confidence, don't hesitate to contact HMS Desk. The cost of plastic surgery procedures in India can range from $3,000 to $10,000, depending on the specific procedure and hospital facilities. Visit our website at hmsdesk.com or email us at support@hmsdesk.com to start your journey towards a more confident and beautiful you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel to stay updated with the latest healthcare information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to serving you on your journey to a more confident and beautiful you.